Hi, my name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey, taking you through our 275 Sailfish dual console. So let's come up to the bow. We'll start up here. We have our through hull windlass system made by Lamar, and you have a remote up here as well as at the helm. We have recessed cleats up here as well as throughout the boat. So if you look up at the bow here, you have a lot of nice creature comforts. My favorite part about it is the safety of it. You can sit here, you don't have to worry about kids or anybody falling out of the boat. The boat comes up to the middle of my back, if not a little bit more. You have the comforts of the 6 cup holders, 3 on each side, 12-volt plug-in. You can charge your phone. You have the wet sound speakers, and then you have some accent lighting up top. And then underneath these 2 seats, we do have insulated fish boxes, as well as storage, dry storage underneath my feet in this hatch below. As you're walking back, you will have some storage underneath this helm here. Let's take a look at the head. It's huge. We have a sink, again, another cup holder for comfort, and we have our vacuum flush head system in there. So to this side, we have a nice captain seat. Arms come down. You have our Garmin XSV system, which is a great, very user-friendly system. We have a remote spotlight on top of the hardtop here. Nice fusion stereo system. This is equipped with our Garmin 200. Digital throttle systems powering our Yamaha 200s. Your switchboard. Again, we have speakers on both sides, more cup holders. This is adjustable up and down, okay? And below me is storage in this hatch that goes all the way forward. You can put your skis, roll up your tubes, fishing rods, whatever suits your boating. Coming back, we have our countertop area with a 12-volt plug-in as well. You can plug in maybe a speaker, blender, whatever that you would need. You have a nice cutting board, and when you're not using your sink, you can simply put this right up here, and then you have a full counter. Tons of storage in this boat. Absolutely tons of storage. Goes all the way back to the side of the boat. So if you look on this side, you have rod storage here, okay? This bench here will fold down. So it gives you more room in the cockpit, more room, more fishability, just room to walk around, okay? But if you do need the comfort of it, you can sit 3 people there, as well as a collapsible 2-person bench on the port side of the boat, which is located right here. And when you don't need this and you are fishing and you want to put it away, it's very simple. It goes right flush, fish box underneath, okay? So if you come back here, we'll take a look at the stern transom of the boat. Patented design by Sailfish. Every sailfish except one model will have this that we sell. So if you want to fish, it's out of the way. If you want to just go out and have some fun, lift it up, twist it, go tube and water scan. On this side here, we do have our live well lit up for when you're fishing at night. You can see down in there. All our live wells are insulated, so you can also fill that with ice, put your sodas, lunch, or you can use it as a fish box as well. You want to keep your fish cold. So this little thing here is kind of a cool system. It's our fender system, okay? So you preset your fender once. So if you're docking your boat and the person you're with, your wife, spouse, friend, you need to do something in a pinch, all you have to do is pull the fender, snap, throw, and we're set to go, okay? So back here we have a nice access to your in and out of the boat right here. So you hit swim ladder, and then that folds down and you have our underwater lights with our Yamaha 200s powering the boat. My name is Michael Mara. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 609-926-0600. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the water.